Hello class, today we will be talking about privacy and security. Before we begin this lesson, let's go over this brainstorm question. How can a strong password protect your privacy? Take a moment and think. The term privacy means the state of being free from public attention. The term security means measures taken to be safe and protected. The learning outcomes for today are understanding why a strong password is important and which information should be shared online and which should not. Here I provided a list of do's and don'ts for privacy and security factors. For do's, I said, make a strong password that does not include any part of your username, that includes special characters, make your account private, report accounts that you do not know. For don'ts, I had said, do not use your address, do not put your age, do not put your phone number, do not put your full name, and do not put your school name. Before we begin, here is a think about it question. Ashley was in a library, but when she left, she forgot her iPad. If someone was to find out her password, what could they do with all her information? Think about what apps would be on her iPad. Her email, her bank account, and her social media accounts. What could someone do with all of that information? Take a moment and think about it. The second think about it is saying, if a student had a username that involved their first name and their last name, for example, Jane_Doe, and their password is the same as their username, for example, Jane_Doe, is that considered a strong password? What could make that password stronger? Take a moment, discuss with a partner, and think what could make the password stronger and why the password is not strong currently. Lastly, here are our worksheets for today. The first one on the left is the if-then scenarios. You will be assigned into a group. You will read the assigned scenario and discuss what could happen if the password had been stolen. The second worksheet is Power Up Your Password. It is to create your own strong password following the certain steps that are provided, while also providing password tips to remember. Good luck and enjoy the rest of your day.